Every machine arrives with questions. Every day begins with curiosity. The right tool is only the beginning. Restoring a classic is not about making it new. It's about understanding what was first intended. Every surface, every tolerance, every decision. That's the challenge and the reward. Research before action. The right way, even when it's the harder one. We restore, we source, we curate collections that respect the story within the machine, because these machines are more than objects. They are ideas engineered in metal. For the love of timeless mechanics.